Exploring English. Mastering Position Prefixes. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of prefixes, specifically position prefixes. Are you ready to enhance your vocabulary and understanding of English words? Let's get started. To start, position prefixes are a type of prefix that describes the position or place of something in relation to something else. Examples of these include pre, meaning before, sub, meaning under, inter, meaning between, and super, meaning above or beyond. These prefixes can help us create new words and provide additional layers of meaning to our language. For instance, you can have a view, which simply means a sight or prospect, but if you have a preview, that means you're seeing something before it is officially released or before it happens. Using position prefixes is simple. All you need to do is attach the prefix to the root word to create a new word. Let's try it together with the prefix pre. A determined person knows what they want, but a predetermined event or decision has been decided before it happens. Here's another example. Marine refers to the sea or ocean. If you submarine, you're going underneath the water. See how it works. However, it's important to note that not every prefix can go with any word. So, the more you practice and familiarize yourself with common combinations, the better. Now that we know how to use position prefixes, it's time to practice creating new words. Try combining the prefixes inter, super, and sub with different root words. Here are some examples. Inter plus connect equals interconnect. Super plus human equals superhuman. Sub plus merge equals submerge. Make sure you understand the meanings of these new words. Interconnect means to connect with each other or be interconnected. Superhuman describes someone with abilities beyond what a typical human can do. Submerge means to go underwater or beneath the surface. That wraps up our lesson on position prefixes. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering prefixes. Try creating new words with position prefixes and use them in your daily English conversations or writings. Before you know it, you'll be handling these words like a pro. See you in our next lesson. Keep learning and keep growing.